Delving into the frigid waters presents a unique amalgamation of invigorating sensations and inherent safety considerations. Submerging oneself in ice-cold water is not merely an act of bravado, it is an intentional pursuit of physiological benefits. To embark on this journey, one must cautiously approach the waters, ensuring that safety measures are firmly in place. To harness the therapeutic effects of cold water immersion, the process involves a deliberate immersion of the face into the chilling embrace of the water. This practice is structured to span 30 seconds, a temporal window during which the body undergoes a cascade of responses to the cold stimulus. For those inclined towards a more gradual approach, subdividing the time frame into 10-second increments is advised, allowing periodic resurfacing for breath and acclimatization. The deliberate act of immersing one's face in icy waters triggers a series of physiological reactions. The initial shock of the cold provokes an immediate vasoconstriction, wherein blood vessels constrict in response to the low temperature. This adaptive response is the body's mechanism to conserve heat and redirect blood flow to vital organs. Simultaneously, the cold stimulus prompts the release of endorphins, eliciting a sense of exhilaration and heightened alertness. Moreover, controlled exposure to cold water can stimulate the activation of brown adipose tissue, commonly known as brown fat. This specialized type of fat burns calories to generate heat, contributing to the potential benefits of weight management. Additionally, cold water immersion has been associated with improved circulation, enhanced immune function, and even potential mood elevation. To engage in this venture successfully, it is imperative to exercise prudence and mindfulness. Incremental submersion allows for the body to gradually acclimate to the temperature, preventing the shock that might accompany sudden exposure. Furthermore, attentive breathing techniques becomes paramount, ensuring a harmonious balance between immersion and respiration. The act of immersing oneself in ice-cold water transcends mere endurance. It is a deliberate foray into the realm of physiological resilience and well-being. The careful orchestration of this endeavor, marked by thoughtful increments and mindful breathing, transform a seemingly daunting act into a calculated pursuit of the myriad of benefits that cold water immersion has to offer. Venturing into the brisk embrace of cold water for a total duration of 30 seconds holds transformative potential, particularly when integrated into your skincare routine. The efficacy of cold water emerges as a post-cleansing ritual, bestowing a myriad of benefits upon your skin. This seemingly simple act has the power to vanquish puffiness, notably around the delicate eye area, while concurrently initiating a collagen-boosting process that imparts a lasting tightening effect to your skin. The impact of cold water on inflammation and swelling is nothing short of remarkable, transcending mere cosmetic concerns to address fundamental aspects of skin health. By immersing yourself in this refreshing element, you actively contribute to the reduction of signs of aging, those telltale wrinkles that mark the passage of time. Cold water immersion becomes a potent ally in your quest for timeless radiance, as it stimulates collagen production and encourages skin elasticity, fostering a natural defense against the visible effects of aging. The profound influence of this cold water regimen extends beyond surface-level concerns, permeating the very essence of your skin's well-being. As the cold water seeps into your pores, it invigorates and revitalizes, assuring a healthy glow that emanates from within. The simultaneous reduction of inflammation further contributes to an even-toned complexion, lending your skin a renewed vibrancy that transcends conventional skincare routines. The immersive experience of dipping your head into this revitalizing elixir extends its benefits beyond facial contours, cascading down to envelop your entire body in a rejuvenating embrace. This holistic approach to skincare underscores the interconnectedness of bodily wellness and aesthetic allure. In essence, by incorporating the practice of immersing your face in cold water into your daily routine, you are gifting yourself a ritual of self-love. This act transcends the mundane, offering a holistic and rejuvenating experience that your face, body, and ultimately your overall well-being will ardently appreciate. So, with each dip into the invigorating coldness, relish in the knowledge that you are bestowing upon yourself the timeless gift of radiant, resilient, and revitalized skin. In the pursuit of timeless beauty and skin wellness, Radiant Skin Revelations serves as your guiding light toward a luminous and revitalized you. As you embark on this transformative journey, may each revelation become a radiant chapter in your personal story of self-care and rejuvenation. With a commitment to unveiling the secrets of radiant skin and embracing the practice that elevate your glow, Radiant Skin Revelation stands as your trusted companion in the quest for lasting beauty. Remember, your skin is a canvas that tells the story of your well-being. With every revelation, you're not merely caring for your skin. You are authoring a narrative of self-love, resilience, and the timeless allure that comes from within. So as you continue to explore the depths of radiant skincare, may your skin's journey be a testament to the radiant revelations that unfold, leaving you empowered, confident, and beautifully radiant. Until next time, Radiant Skin Revelations bids you adieu with a promise of more transformative insights on your radiant path ahead.